Okay, now let us move to the tuples. Okay, tuple T1. Tuple is going to parenthesis. And first of all, we need to understand what about the tuple and what are the features of the tuple and all. Tuple is a immutable collection, and tuple starts with parenthesis, closed with parenthesis. And one more thing, tuple follows index. One more thing, tuple we cannot do, we cannot perform append, insert, delete operations. Okay, let me try to take a tuple now. So tuple is equal to, I want to give some numbers here. Apple, comma, LG, comma, Samsung. I'm trying to taking some values for the tuple now. And for this tuple, what is the output of the tuple? And the kind of the tuple, type of the tuple, what is the type of T1? Type of T1 is, it's a simple tuple value. And for tuple, I'm trying to appending a value. Appending something like Onida. I'm trying to appending some value for the tuple. So this operation cannot perform. This operation cannot perform. So I cannot able to append value for tuple. So append is not possible for tuple. Append not possible for tuple. Tuple is basically immutable object. Tuple is immutable object, so we cannot able to perform any kind of operation like append, insert, delete operations. So I want to delete something from tuple T1. T1 dot delete. T1 dot delete. I want to delete apple from tuple. So it is not possible from tuple. And T1 dot insert. Insert at a 0 index. I want to insert something like a Onida. And this operation also we cannot able to perform. Okay, so I can able to receive the values, and T1 of 0, I can able to get the value from the tuple. So gathering the value is possible from the tuple. Index follows tuple 0 colon. When I say 0 colon, I am getting all the values from tuple. Tuple of 1 colon, I am getting all the values after the 1. It is possible, and we can able to give the -1 also. That is also possible for the tuple. So that is about the tuple object. So you can able to insert multiple things inside the tuple. Inside the tuple, I can able to give the multiple list objects also. For example, L1 is equal to, I want to take 1, 2, 3, and L2 is equal to, I want to give 4, 5, 6, and T2. T2 is equal to, I want to take L1, comma L2. Now finally T2. What is the T2? T2 is a collection. T2 is a collection, tuple collection, which is going to be containing a values like list items. Okay. So inside the list, you can take tuples. Inside the tuple, you can take list. Both are possible. That is not an issue. Now we can go for the dictionary. So how dictionary will be? That is something like a dict. Dict is something like dictionary. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. Key value pairs. Dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, and dict starts with curly braces, closed with curly braces again. And now one more thing, key and value separated with colon, and key value pair separated with comma. So the tuple key value pair separated with comma. So I want to create a simple dictionary now. Dict is equal to empty object I am trying to create. Now type of dict is the keyword. I can keep the dict 1 and so type of dict. What is the type of dict? Type of dict 1. What is the type of this object? It's a dictionary. It's a dict. Dict is a dictionary. Now dict 1. DICT1 is equal to, I want to prepare something. For example, name. What is the name for this? Name is something like Aisha. And qualification. What is the qualification here? Qualification is B.Tech. And what is the salary? Salary, I can give the salary. Salary also I can provide. Salary, it's a number, 34,000. So now you can gather the values of the dictionary. So I can able to receive the values from the dictionary. The DICT1 of name, DICT1 of name is equal to, I am assigning Manasa. One second. I'm trying to assigning the value for the DICT. Now DICT1. Now can you see and observe? I can able to update the value for the name. Previously that was Aisha. Now this time it is Manasa. Now DICT1 of one thing, qualification I want to update. Qualification previously B.Tech, that I'm trying to updating with MCA. Now DICT1 of DICT1. Now DICT qualification got updated. Now salary also I want to update. DICT1 of salary. Based on the key, you have to update the value. Based on the key, I want to update the value. Now this time the salary is 56,000. And finally DICT. What is the DICT1? Exactly the DICT1 values got updated. Name Manasa, qualification MCA, and salary something. And DICT1 dot keys. I want to gather all the keys now. So when you say keys, all the keys I can able to gather. What are the keys we have inside the DICT? One is the name, one is the qualification, one is the salary. Now DICT1 dot values. What are the values which are going to be available inside the DICT? I want to gather. It's a Manasa and MCA 56,000, and which is going to be gathering using with the list and with tupled list. Okay. So you may give the different things. For example, DICT2 is equal to, I want to give something like one more dictionary, and this dictionary, this is something like you can give something like marks or names and marks. For example, I want to provide a names here, names colon. Names, inside the names I want to give the Manasa is the one name, and comma I want to give the one more name called Aisha, and I want to give the one more name like Srinivas. And finally, I want to provide the salaries. So this is one key value pair. The first key is names and value is array. Key is names, value is array. And again, another key, one more key I am providing. Another key is something like salaries. One more key is salaries. For this salaries, I want to provide the one more array. And here the salaries are so 34,000 and 44,000 and 55,000. And finally, dictionary 2 is created. DICT2. DICT2. What a DICT2 is? It's a dictionary. Names I got, salaries I got, at the same time, different kind of things. Now, DICT2 dot names. What are the names I can able to see? Okay, no. DICT2 of names. I can able to gather only names. I can able to see only names. Only names. Okay. DICT2 of salaries. If you want to gather salaries, you can get the salaries also. So key is salaries. So when I say salaries, only salaries are. Now what my requirement is, I want to gather Manasa and 34,000. Only Manasa if I want to get what I want to do. DICT2 of names of tell me names of names okay, I get names of zero. When I say names of zero, what is the names of zero here? It is Manasa. Names of zero is Manasa. Okay, so DICT2 of and salaries and they should be in the single quotes. and the salaries of 0. When I say salaries of 0, it should be something like 34,000. So when you want to gather the values from the dictionary, you can able to gather the values like this. And only these kind of operations you can able to perform for the dictionary. So you can able to assign the value. You can able to, okay, I want to assign the one more value. What is the DICT? What is the DICT1 now? DICT1 is name, qualification, salary. I want to enter the name, age also. How to set age for the DICT1? DICT1 of age, okay, is equal to, I want to set 23. If I say 23, so age also inserted, DICT1. Now you can see age also inserted. So this is not actually a kind of insertion. This is a kind of adding thing. This is a kind of adding thing. So you can able to add the value. Add value. So add value also possible. Add value means nothing but we should assign the key and value. We should give key and value. Key and value both we need to add. And whenever you want to receive the values, you can able to receive the values. And you try to work with the dictionary. Dictionary is not based on index based. Dictionary DICT is not index based. Index based. There is no index for the dictionary. There is no index. There is no index for dictionary. And one more point, DICT is immutable. Sorry, mutable. Mutable means operations are performing, right? Operations are performing. I can able to add the value, I can able to read the value, I can able to insert the value, I can able to update the value. So things are possible. So that is our reason dictionary is mutable. Now we'll go for the one more thing called set. Set is mutable collection. And one more point, set is not allowed. Set not allowed duplicates. Not allowed duplicates. And one more point, set starts with curly braces, closed with curly braces. Okay, and set we cannot append value, and set will not follow index. Set will not follow index, and set is unordered collection. Unordered collection. Okay, so S1 is equal to, I want to prepare a set 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, or 3, 4. Now finally S1. What is S1 output? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is available multiple times, but S1 type of S1. What is the type of S1? This type of S1. Here a type of S1 is set. Okay, set is not allowing duplicates. 2 is available multiple times, but here 2 only prints only one time. Okay, but for example, I want to take list 1. L1 is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. This time list will allow duplicates. Can you see and observe? Lists will allow duplicates. Set will not allow duplicates. Set only prints unique values. Set will print unique values. Set will print unique values. Set will print unique values. You have to understand this. Okay. So what are the different kind of operations set can perform? Set is mutable, right? Set is mutable. What kind of operations I can perform? Not append. Add operation. Add operation we can do. Insert will not do. Insert we cannot do. Insert we cannot do. And delete we can do. We can do. Insert we cannot. Insert we cannot. Insert we cannot. Why? Because there is no index. There is no index. So we cannot able to insert a value. Add possible. Add possible. Append not possible. Append not possible. Why? Because there is no index. Append not possible. Why? Because there is no index. Aisha, getting my point? Delete we can do. So let me do. What is the set?
Sir.
S1, right? Check S1. S1 is this. Now S1 dot add. S1 dot add 5. Now S1. What is S1? 5 got added. Again S1 dot add. Again 5 I am adding. Is it possible? Yes, possible. But only already 5 is available. Already 5 is available. So you are trying to adding n number of times. It is not possible. S1 dot add 100. S1 dot add 100. 100 is okay. 100 is not available, right? 100 is not available means it can add it. Okay. S1 dot delete. S1 dot delete 100. Delete is not there. Delete is not there. Remove is there. Delete, no, remove. Remove we can do. Okay, so S1 dot remove. Remove 100. So it is a bucket. It is a bucket which is something like it is a bucket which is something like unordered collection. Unordered collection means it is no index. There is no index for this particular set. Okay, diagrammatically I will show how this is going to be working. All the collection objects I want to draw like this. Okay, so just observe. This is list. This is list. And this is tuple. And imagine this is a set. Imagine this is a set. So imagine this is a dictionary. Imagine this is a dictionary. Or this is a dictionary. Okay. Let me take. Imagine this is a list. Imagine this is a tuple. Imagine this is a dictionary. Imagine this is a set. Okay, so list can contain multiple things. List can contain multiple values, which is something like ordered collection. Which is something like ordered collection. But duplicates allowed. Inside the list, duplicates allowed. Inside the list, duplicates allowed. But coming to the tuple also index based. No problem. 0, 1, 2, 3 is there. But duplicates not allowed. Sorry, duplicates allowed, but only the thing is operations cannot perform in the tuple. Dictionary is what duplicates cannot allow. Means every object is in a queue. Dictionary is collection of key value pairs. Collection of key value pairs means what? For example, let me type one thing. So this is one collection, and this is another collection. Inside the dictionary, everything is key value pair system. Inside the dictionary, everything is key value pair system. For each and everything, we have the two things. One is the key, one is the value. One is the key, one is the value. That is the dictionary collection. This is a dictionary collection. Okay. Now let me go. And here this is 0. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Index based, right? This is 3. Something like this when you are going forward. And here I can give the same number, right? I can give the same number multiple times. Is it possible multiple times same number? Same number multiple times possible or same number multiple times possible or yes, possible in the list. Tuple is what actually tuple also follow the index, and tuple mutability is not there. This is immutable. Let me write down. This is immutable, and here this is mutable. Mutable means operations can perform, but tuple operations cannot perform. And here also index follows. But coming to the dictionary, Everything is key value pair system. This is the key, this is the value. This is the key, this is the paint to key and value pair system. But coming to the set, set is unique collection. Set is what actually every object is unique. For example, the first object is a square, second object is something like this, and the third object is something like this, and fourth object is something like this. And is there any order here? Is there any order here? See, I can able to add this one. I can able to add this one. I can able to add this one to the set. It means add operation can perform for the set. Add operation can perform for the set. Add operation can perform. At the same time, I can able to remove the value. I can able to remove this one. I can able to remove operation. I can able to do the remove operation also. Okay, set have two operations. One is the add operation, one is the remove operation, no delete operation. Add and remove possible for the, this is what actually set. And dictionary is also mutable. So it shows this is mutable. And tuple is immutable. And here this is also kind of mutable. Getting my point? So index only allowed for the list and the tuple. Index only allowed. Let me write some points here. Index allowed only for list and tuple. And list is mutable collection, and list will allow duplicates. And tuple is immutable collection, and tuple will allow duplicates, no issues. Next, dictionary. Dictionary is key value collection. Key value collection. And dict, key should not sell. Key should not sell. dict, value can be same. Value you can give the same value, but key you cannot give same key for the two key value pairs. Two key value pairs, same key we cannot give. That is one thing. So coming to the set. Set is mutable, and set will not allow duplicates. Set will not allow duplicates. Aisha, by this diagram you have to understand all the methods, all the points about these collection types. By these diagrams you have to understand all the points about the collections. Am I getting point? Am I clear about collection types, Aisha? Yes. Fine. Now these are the different things. Now let me move to the collection of sets inside dictionary. Is it possible? Collection of sets inside the dictionary. Is it possible? Collection of sets inside the dictionary. Then how?
No.
dict2 is equal to collection of sets. Set 1. Take set 1. Set 1 is equal set 1 colon set 1 అన్నప్పుడు సెట్స్ కావాలన్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఇలా పెట్టాలి. అంతే కదా. కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సెట్స్ అన్నారు. ఫస్ట్ సెట్లు ఏముంటాయి 1, 2, 3 ఉంటాయి. సెట్ 2 సెట్ 2 లో ఏమున్నాయి ఏదో ఒకటి a, b, c. a, b, c. ఇది ఒక సెట్. అండ్ సెట్ 3 లో ఏముంటాయి? వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్. సెట్ 3 లో మళ్ళీ సెట్ అన్నప్పుడు మళ్ళీ కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ రావాలి. ఓకే, సో అగైన్ 4, 5, 6 ఇలా పెట్టాలి. ఇది ఒక డిక్షనరీ. ఏదో కొట్టింది చూడండి. దిస్ ఇస్ సెట్ కదా. ఇక్కడ కామన్. నెక్స్ట్ list of tuples. Can I do this? List of tuples. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. List of tuples possible. List of tuples possible. Next, tuple of list. Tuple of list. Tuple of list. 1, 2, 3. Suppose one more thing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9. Possible? Tuple of list. Okay. Now I want to take a set of multiple kind of collections. 1, 2, 3. This is the list, and I want to take a tuple inside. 3, 4, 5. And I want to take a dictionary inside. I want to take a dictionary inside. Names, reading, and salary 56,000. This is basically set. The global level object is set. Let me go S2. Okay, what is S2 now? పడుతుంది ఏదో చూ. Unhashable type list. Unhashable. Or can I take a list of things? Yeah, list is taking. Tuple will take. Yeah, tuple also taking. And this is not hashable. Why? Because of curly braces. Again, curly braces came. Maybe we have to give the. When you have the set outside, you should give something back. 1 second. Wrap చేయడం కొంచెం issue. Okay, we will check it out. What is the problem? Unhashable swaps. Okay, so you try to understand what are the different type of collections we have. Got idea about collection types? What are the different kind of collection types we discussed so far now? We discussed about the list items. We discussed about the tuple items. We discussed about the dictionary items. We discussed about the set items. Okay. Next, we try to observe one more operator called range operator. Range operator. What about range operator? One operator yesterday we missed it. Not missed actually. After the list, I want to tell about the range operator. What range operator can do? Range is some value range. For example, I want to have a range of 10. When I say range of 10, what is the output of range of 10? 0 to 10. Print of range of 10. Print of range of 10. When I say print of range of 10, 10 values also automatically printing. Okay. List of range of 10. 10 values inside the list. 10 values inside the list. Can you see? 10 values we can able to see, but values are going to be starting from 0. Values are going to be starting from 0. Okay, can I say tuple of range of 10? When I say tuple of range of 10, 10 values automatically comes inside the range. Set of range of 10. Range is some range of the values. Range is a collection. 10 values I want inside the set. 10 values I want inside the tuple. 10 values I want inside the list. Getting my point, Aisha? What is the range here? Okay, so list of range of 10 comma 2. 2 is the step value here. 2 is the step value here. It means 2 step it is automatically takes. So 2 for I think 0 to 4 something like this. List of range of 0 comma 10 comma. Okay, so 0 is printing. 0 is the initial value. After that 2 step 2 value. After that 2 step 4 value. After that 2 step 6 value. After that 8. List of Aisha. The session is going to be ending now. We will continue again tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
0 comma 30 comma 4. 4 step it will take. 4 step. 0 comma 4 comma 8 comma 12. 16, 20, 24, 28. Okay, tomorrow we will continue about the loop set conditions. Okay, basics will finish tomorrow.